In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Roku account. So if you want to log into Roku account, it is actually very simple. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in my.roku.com/sign in. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll directly be led to the sign in interface of Roku. You can see over here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. All you have to do is enter your credentials. If you do not have the account yet, you can click on this option, create account, and create the account for yourself. But if you already have the account, simply enter your email address and password. Click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forgot password, and you'll be able to reset it. After that, make sure to enter the password in this field. If you want this browser to remember you, check on this box, remember me. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter the verification code sent to your email. So go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, Gmail has been opened. Click on the email sent by Roku. Now that particular email will be opened. You'll be able to see the verification code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to the Roku tab. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log into Roku account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.